Afternoon everyone, hope you're all well. Right, as you can see we've got the Slurry lads in. Local contractor Dave Hill just come for a few days to get the slurry star down. They'll have 2 or 3 days now for us and get it down, and hopefully that should last us till spring when the weather's a lot better, and they'll have another go in spring before we start putting fertilizer on, and hopefully that'll be the last time until we get the first cut off, when we will probably start with the tankers and get some out. We've got 2 tankers ourselves, but to be honest, this time of year with all the cows in, we just can't get enough out to make a difference every day, really, to be fair. This is our biggest field, 60-acre field, this one. There's been a lot of rain last night, and rained all night and well into this morning. And you imagine if we were tankering this in and out with the tankers for a few days, would soon make a black mess. Gate holes be paddled up. So it's just as easy to get these guys in, and 2 or 3 days they'll have it down sufficient to last till summer. I think that's a 6830 on the splash plate. I'm sure it is anyway. See, there's the main road in the distance there to Whitby to Middlesbrough Road, the A171 I think it is. You see there's a couple of wet spots there. You tell there's been a lot of rain last night when you get them there in that field. They are travelling well, not really making a mark. It's a long old pump is this one up to that field. We've got to put a booster pump halfway just to give it some extra oomph up to the splash plate. Right, there's the pump, the booster pump, and that's on our T6 155. That just gives it an extra push up to the field. It's a long way from the farm up there. It's uphill all the way, so just the pump down at the store can't get it all the way up there and have the pressure when it gets there, so that's got to sit there and pump it the rest of the way. And to be honest, we haven't really got the time to set to with 2 tankers, and with milking on the morning and afternoon and feeding, and not a lot of hours spare in the day to get a lot of slurry out. So they can come in and just leave them to it, and we can get on with jobs around the yard and see to the cows. You can see there he's travelling well. He's not making a mark on the field as such, really. Not a very exciting video, Slurry, but I just thought I had 10 minutes free. I hadn't had the drone out for a while, so I thought I would just have 10 minutes with the drone. A nice day, cold but sunny, no wind. So I hope you enjoy that quick little vid, and we'll catch you on the next one.